Hey Socofet foodies, it's Jose here, and I'm going to show you 2 ways to make a delicious soursop drinks. So my sister is going to show you the first method. She's going to separate the skin from the fruit, and then she's going to mash it to get the seeds and the juice out from it. Place it in a strainer and add some water to release that juice. Then she's going to go ahead and add some lime juice and some sugar to sweeten it, and stir it up. Pour that drink and you are ready to enjoy. So simple, so easy. Okay, on to method number 2. So I'm just cutting open the soursop. Just a disclaimer, this is my first time making this drink, okay? I'm just gonna use 1/4 of the fruit, and this is what it looks like inside, very fleshy. All right, here's a close-up of one of the pieces. There's a seed in there, but I'm gonna eat that. Just a little nibble, so good. Okay, now on to separating the seeds from the flesh. I didn't realize how many seeds there were in this thing. Let's just say it took me some time to do this. Okay, so after 2 hours, just joking, probably 20 minutes, here's what I have. And I'm actually gonna add that. Oh, no, I missed one. Now we're ready to go. So I'm gonna pour that in the blender, and I'm gonna add milk. I'm pretty sure you could add coconut milk if you wanted to, but I just added regular milk. And now I'm gonna add a nutrition shake. A lot of the times people will use Nutriment, but I didn't have any. All right, squeeze that all in there, the whole thing. Next, I'm gonna add some condensed milk for sweetness. I'm putting a lot in there, guys. I didn't measure, so. Now we're going to add some vanilla, some almond extract. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon and freshly grated nutmeg. All right, turn on the blender and blend that for about 2 minutes so it is mixed very well. Pour that over some ice. Add some more nutmeg to garnish and a cinnamon stick. And this drink is so very filling, oh so good. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye.